Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at a case for the Google Pixel 4 XL. This case is made by SUPCASE. It's a unicorn Beetle. Let's take a look at it. Okay, now you can get this from Amazon. It's the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle series style case designed for the Google Pixel 4 XL premium hybrid protective case. This is a 2019 release. Okay, so here's some pictures of it with the Pixel 4 XL. That's what it's made for, 6.3 inch. You're gonna get it for $12.99. It's on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. Okay, let's take this out of the box. Pretty simple packaging, unicorn Beetle design there. Drop protection, military standard. A little bit of information on the back for the Pixel 4 XL. Let's pull this out of the top right here. Here's the case. Now, I've used these cases before. They're pretty good protection. Okay, you got a TPU side. You got polycarbonate back. Now you see you got a finished area for the camera, so it's raised a little bit. You got this gray insert in the back right there. Nice touch, SUPCASE branding right there. Other than that, it's pretty flat on the back. All the buttons are integrated. Power button, it's got some texture there. You got your volume down rocker right there. It's integrated into the case right there, so that's pretty good. Opening for the mic, and you got your speaker opening, charging port, and your other speaker opening right there. Nothing on this side, no lanyard opening or anything like that. It's going to give you good protection, and it should fit pretty well. They have a good reputation for that, so let's go ahead and put the Pixel 4 inside. Okay, so here's the 4 XL. I'm going to go ahead and put it inside, see how it looks. Okay, so nice fit. You're going to have that button. It's going to be covered right there, so you won't be able to see the orange button there. Some people might not like that, but other than that, it fits the phone pretty well. You see the camera area is covered, so you won't be touching the camera right there. That finished area is covered right there. And you can see the clear back, no problem. All your buttons work, no problem there. Everything lines up. You see the bottom charging port right there. You're gonna have plenty of room for third-party chargers as well if you need that, and your mic hole lines up as well. So the case fits well. You got a lip for the front, not a lot, but you do have lip for the front, so it's going to protect you there. Not a whole lot there, but the protection's on the sides and the back. That's where you're going to get your bumper protection at. So this is going to give you good protection on the sides and all that stuff there. Got to be careful on the front. It's not as much cover there as you might like for some people, but I personally am okay with that. But let's check out wireless charge. Okay, so let's see how wireless charge works. Okay, so it picks up wireless charge, no problem. You're going to be able to charge the case with the phone with the case on. Okay, so that was a quick look at the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle case for the Pixel 4 XL, Google Pixel 4 XL. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.